Hello, friends. A very good morning to you. Hope you are doing great in your personal life and the professional life. My dear friends, मैं आज आपको कुछ बोलने वाला हूँ वो शायद आपको पहले से ही पता है. It means what I'm going to tell you is that हम जो चाहते हैं the kind of wish I do have or you do have or any one of can have is there at the back of that wish. हमारा एक और सोच एक थॉट प्रोसेस काम करता है कि ऑन द पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग दिस थिंग्स ऑन द लेवल ऑफ एबंडेंस इन द यूनिवर्स. दुनिया में तीन किस्म के लोग होते हैं जो ज़्यादातर देखा गया है. द फर्स्ट लेवल ऑफ पीपल हु आर ऑलवेज द स्मॉल लेवल थिंकर्स. उनका ये सोच है कि वॉट एवर आई एम आस्किंग और वॉट एवर आई एम थिंकिंग टू गेट, देयर इज अ लैक ऑफ दैट थिंग इन द यूनिवर्स. The God, the nature, the universe can't have either those things or they are reluctant to give me these things. अभी तक नहीं मिला. For last 10, 15, 20 years मुझे नहीं मिला. अब मैं चाह भी लूँ, even if I have a burning wish, मुझे नहीं मिल सकता. They are always the followers. उनको लगता है कि मैं कुछ भी सोचूं मुझे नहीं मिल सकता. The second level of people who think yes, there is enough in the universe, there is enough in the world on what I want. Now, ये जो class of people है, they are the majority. And to establish that what they think is that there is enough in the world, there are 5 ways which normally to be done. If they do it, then probably they can reinforce, because by thinking that there is enough in the world, enough in the universe, you are actually showing a positive mindedness. So I'm going to tell you 5 ways in which you can reconfirm or re-establish your belief that yes, there is enough in the universe who can give it. Point number 1, my dear friends, when you are closing the day, just take a pen and paper and write down the best 5 things that you have done in the entire day. It may be that you had a good meeting with one of your clients, or maybe you had a fantastic lunch with your very old class friend, or on the way to office you met a needy person and you gave some money for his food, blah blah. It means the 5 things, good things that you have done the whole day. That is really going to give you a lot of confidence and the pleasure, right? The second point is that you again write 5 things, maybe the same 5 things or maybe some other 5 things for which you just feel that you should love yourself. For example, you are just walking on the street and you saw a stray dog, you have fed him. Or maybe anything, after long years you just sang a song or anything. कोई भी 5 चीज़ जो आपको आपने आज पूरा दिन में किए हो, और फॉर दैट यू जस्ट फील वाओ, आई डिड समथिंग ग्रेट एंड आई लव माई सेल्फ. That 5 things you must write, right? Next, the point number 3, that now you have to think that 5 things which are in your dream, जो आपका विश है और आप सोचो कि आपको वो चीज़ मिल गया, आप उसको लिखो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, से यू वांट टू हैव अ बिग हाउस, तो आप लिखो कि मैं आज एक मेरा खुद का बंगलो में मैं बैठ के अभी ये पॉइंट्स लिख रहा हूँ. मे बी मुझे एक बहुत तरक्की मिल गया है, आई गॉट अ बिग प्रमोशन इन माई ऑफिस. और मे बी I have my big BMW car, and from that car that is also a software driven car, and from that car only I've come back to home. ये 5 चीज़ अगर आप लिखो जो आपको अभी मिला नहीं, आपका विश में है, लेकिन आप अगर वो लिखते हो और वो आपको फील करते हो, अगेन द पावर ऑफ विजुअलाइजेशन, आपको लगता है कि वो आप मिल चुका है, तो आप उसको पॉइंट डाउन करो. Next, the 5 things that you have experienced done by others for which you want to thank the other people. For example, you are not being able to solve a certain equation in Tally or Excel. One of your colleague came and he helped you to solve it. Just say thank you, my dear friend, thank you, my colleague, you have helped me. Or anything, any 5 things that you got a help or support from somebody for which you want to say thanks. Those 5 things, my dear friends, please do write. And last but not the least, 5 things that you want to learn in coming days, you should write it. For example, I don't know swimming, so maybe in a span of 6 months I will learn swimming. Great. that is your dream, and that is your self-imposed target as well. Or maybe I'm not so good in Excel, or I'm not so good in PowerPoint, but I will learn it. So those 5 things. So these 5 things you just note it down, and my dear friends, let it be your daily activities. Just have a big notebook at the night before going to the bed. Start writing these 5 points, 5 into 5, 25 points, if not 25, at least 20 points. My dear friends, this would not only reinforce your level of confidence, but also, it would actually create a positive source of information that would actually use the law of attractions to the universe, right? So the first kind of people, they believe that there is nothing in the universe, so they cannot get it. The second kind of people who think yes, there is enough in the universe, and they are using those 5 points to reinforce their thinking. My dear friends, the third kind of people, probably maybe 1 or 2% of the entire universe, who think that there is more than enough in the universe, there is more than enough in the world which you can get it. They are the actual achievers, and according to them, there is no dearth of success. उनका ये सोच है कि मैं कुछ भी चाहूँ दुनिया में वो मुझे मिल सकता है, और ऐसे भी नहीं. इट इज़ नॉट दैट कि माई सक्सेस इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन द सक्सेस ऑफ अदर पीपल. इफ एन अनदर गाय गॉट समथिंग, if another guy got a fame in a particular field, it doesn't mean that I also cannot get it. I can also have the same kind of feel. To them, their mind is absolutely open. For them, even sky is not the limit. Their limit is beyond the sky. So my dear friends, if you really want to grow above, and you really want to expand, then you have to at least try to be in the second level, and slowly you try to be in the third level. There is no rocket science in it. The first thing you have to believe is that there is abundance in the universe, in the hand of God, in the hand of nature. इफ़ आई वॉन्ट समथिंग, मैं कुछ दिल से मांगूँ, मैं उसके लिए मेहनत करूँ, मैं उसके लिए अपना लगन दिखाऊँ, तो आई कैन गेट एनीथिंग. My dear friend, there is a theory called 10x, which says that I owe this theory to Mr. Grant Cardone, and the theory says that whatever you have a dream, you have to think 10 times of it. So the thinking should be of 10x. Then the kind of efforts that you have to do to reach to that dream, you have to increase the effort also by 10 times. So thinking 10x and action is also 10x. If you do this, my dear friend, you can get anything in the world. I hope that I could put down my points very clearly and strongly. And if you have liked it, please be with me. And I hope that we all would definitely try to avoid to be in the first level, and we try to be definitely in the second level, and if possible in the final level. My dear friends, this is what I had for you all today. Hope you are doing great. And if you are liking me, I am available in my YouTube channel, Tathastu SB Learning Solutions. I am available in my Instagram, Tathastu SB. I am available in my Twitter handle, Tathastu SB. And I'm also available in my Facebook. So wherever you feel, you can get in touch with me. All the very best to all of you. Be happy, be healthy, be wealthy, and always be positive. Think positive. Trust me, my dear friends. If you think 10x, at least 5x is there for you. God has definitely kept for you. With this, I'm going to close my session today. I hope you have enjoyed it. Wish you all the very best. Thank you very much. Take care.